barrels per day.
190 to 166.
There's apples under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
Market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it. The movement in oil.
Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the crude oil markets. But just before I start today's video, there's something important I would like to let you all know. First thing is, if you would like to join my signal service and copy my personal trades, please do not hesitate to visit my website, dailymarketmovements.com. I charge a very small joining fee of $29.99. Second of all, we've just launched our third episode, that being our podcast, of course, live from Miami. If you haven't seen any of our podcasts yet, please go and give us our Instagram page a follow, compound_interest_invest, so compound interest invest. And then once arriving onto our page, you'll see that we have a link here for our LinkedIn, our link tree, and this will then allow you to find our podcast on several different platforms such as YouTube, Apple Podcasts, and Spotify. So go and click on that link in our bio and give our podcast a listen. I get so many messages of people saying, Max, do you offer any other services apart from your signal service? And previously the answer was no, but now we do. We offer a free podcast. It's absolutely free. There's no catch at all, and in the podcast it's cool. We get to talk about my favorite stocks at this moment in time. We even give out the occasional free signal, so definitely go and give it a listen, as it will be very beneficial. But let's talk about the crude oil markets. An explosive move during the trading session today at $104 a barrel. Yesterday I said I didn't want to buy at 200-day EMA. Of course, it's a little bit painful to see it go up just like this, as I did previously say that we could bounce here. But the reason I didn't want to buy is because Joe Biden is due to go to Saudi Arabia within the coming days to try and get the Saudi king to agree to bring out more oil into the global output. So supply and demand, this will be negative for crude oil prices, because it just means that there'll be more supply on the market. But if for any reason that was there was no deal put in place, then I think crude oil markets could rally rather significantly. But I think that here we're just seeing this typical movement that you see when we break out of a technical area. You go down to the next target. We did that. We hit the 200-day EMA. Then you typically go back up and retest the previous floor as the new roof in the market. We're doing that right now. We haven't yet broken back above it. And then what you then tend to see is a nice breakout towards the downside. So, you break the previous support, go to the next target, bounce off that, go and test the previous support as a new resistance, get rejected there, and then see a follow through. And that's where we could potentially go and see some price movement down towards at least $80 a barrel. So I think this could offer a fantastic selling opportunity. That would be a short-term selling opportunity, of course, here in the crude oil markets.
500,000 barrels per day.
190 to 166.
There's apples under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
Market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it. The movement in oil.